With fall in full effect, electro group reunite with DJ duo Oomloud and singer to end the year with Holiday, a song bearing a message of positivity, unity, and happiness. Now, it's October 8th. Indigenous Peoples Day is in 72 hours away. Halloween is in 3 weeks. And November brings Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, if you celebrate, and Jimi Hendrix's birthday. Yet, have their eyes firmly set on the last page of the calendar in their new song, Holiday. Premiering here on HollywoodLife, Holiday has, fronted by DJ and producer Martin Hoogstraten, team up with duo Oomloud, Rutger van Gelder and Rutger Baumer, and singer to create a slice of electro magic. Holiday delivers crisp production, a bouncy beat, and charming vocals, piecing together the next great addition to your winter holiday playlist. Middle Dot and Oomloud feat. Holiday, Hysteria. Related gallery. HollywoodLife 2020 music exclusives, see Pics. While any member of the spooky set protest, saying that it's too soon to celebrate the December festivities, Holiday almost seems timeless with its message of joy and levity. It's about taking a break from the troubles of the world, to give yourself a break from it all, be it a Christmas vacation or a long weekend. The last 18 months or so have been difficult for most of us, tell HollywoodLife. The world has changed in many ways, we've been more isolated than ever, and many have missed out on time away with friends and family. I wanted to end the year with Holiday, a track that's uplifting and has a positive vibe and message. Whether you're going on vacation or celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Diwali, Kwanzaa, or another winter holiday, you can relax with this fun tune, adds. As most will testify, a holiday is only good when you spend it with friends. So, Holiday should see you work alongside Oomloud. The two electro entities previously teamed up on Touch and Go, Shed My Skin, and Brighter Days, helping bring some vibrancy to your favorite club's dance floor. As for Seb, he's a rising talent in the music world, having recently signed to Warner Chappell and Guesstimate, and having worked with Afrojack, Mike Candice, and Esther Dean in the past. Holiday comes on the heels of Do What You Like, collab with Zookeeper, and the aforementioned Touch and Go.